How to edit Instagram messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can edit Instagram messages, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to edit Instagram messages, all you have to do is open up the Instagram application here, and once you launch the Instagram app you will see this type of interface. So you can tap the DMs icon from the top right hand side, and let's say you want to send a message to someone here. You cannot edit a previous message, though you can see I've shown edited here. If I want to edit an old message, I can just tap on it, but there is no edit button. That is because once you send a message on Instagram, it will only get editable for the first 15 minutes. So there is no way that you can go ahead and then basically find out. So if I just send it, I can edit this message because I sent it right away by long pressing on it. Then you'll find the edit button here. So once I tap on edit button, I can just go ahead and select and cross out everything, and I can just select any options, and then I can just tap the done option to edit the message. But if it has already been past 15 minutes or so, you will not be able to go ahead and then edit those messages. That's all it takes to edit messages on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.